Today, I'm going to work as a Balinese rice farmer. Rice is huge here in Bali. Literally, the Balinese word for rice, nasi, means meal. Welcome to Bali, where rice is the essence of culture, not just food. Rice farming in Bali goes beyond agriculture. It's a ritual, an art, and a huge part of Balinese identity, symbolizing harmony between humans, nature, and the divine. I am here with Nina here, a Balinese rice farmer for the last 20 years. He's 70 years old and he gave me the opportunity to work with him today and experience this. So I am so thankful, Nina, for you letting me do this, and let's get to work.
Di sini satu, di sini satu. Ya, kakek sini. Jangan diinjak. Jangan diinjak nih. Loh.
Oh no, I'm stepping on the...
Boleh.
Okay. So right now we are cleaning the rice so it grows more healthy. This feels like a very spiritual experience already. Just kind of like hands and feet in the water with the food, kind of like natural. Being an American, we don't really get the opportunity to kind of process our own food, and so this is very enlightening experience.
Ular. Ada kadang-kadang.
I literally go to the gym every single day, and this guy's making me look like my cardio sucks right now, and he's 71. I feel like I was a rice farmer in a past life, just saying. Wow, there's crabs here in the rice field.
Angin ya. Kadang-kadang yang ada dari jalan sampahnya terbang kena angin.
In the heart of South Bali, amidst its rising tourism and development, Bapa Nangah stands firm, guarding a legacy. Despite lucrative offers to sell his beloved rice field, he clings to the traditions and heritage passed down from his father. As he toils the land, he dreams of handing over this legacy to his children and grandchildren. Yet he faces a challenge: the younger generation's shifting aspirations, drawn away from the age-old craft of rice farming, threatens to disrupt this chain of tradition.
We are finished our first section, almost. Feels like a hard day's work, and it's been like 15 minutes. This is how much I care about the rice here in Bali. We'll put my sweat into this special flavor.
Capek bilang.
How many hours a day do you spend working in the rice field?
8 hours.
8 hours? Yeah. Wow, I just did 10 minutes and it has to keep you in pretty good shape, huh? What's your favorite part of working the rice field?
Kesukaannya kalau padi itu tumbuh subur. Terus hasilnya lumayan. Itu yang menyebabkan kita merasa gembira. Apalagi bisa jalan-jalan, melihat alam bebas gitu.
How many children do you have? Two. Boy, a girl, man?
Oh, cowok cewek. Tapi yang kedua dah meninggal. Kakek dah punya cucu 3.
What was it like growing up in Bali?
Ya, kita bersyukur hidup di Bali. Sebab apa yang kita diwarisi sama nenek moyang masih kita bisa pertahankan.
When you were growing up, was there as much tourists as there are now? Or how was Bali like back when you were a kid?
Bali waktu muda jauh sangat berbeda sama Bali sekarang ini. Sebab dari kakek masih umur muda itu, Bali itu masih asri ya. Sawah banyak, luang terbuka itu banyak sekali.
Do you worry that sometimes the rice fields, there won't be as much as before, they'll start to dwindle away? Is that a concern?
Kita kan maunya biar seperti dulu lah. Tapi mungkin karena keadaan di era global ini, kita susah untuk mempertahankan. Karena dari warga sebelah kita semuanya seperti itu.
Have you ever got any offers for anyone to buy your rice field?
Kalau yang mau beli atau nyewa itu kan banyak sekali. Tapi kakek kan sementara bertahan dulu. Biar kakek juga punya aktivitas sehari-hari ya, penghasilan.
There has been a lot of construction going on in Bali due to the rise of tourism here. We're in this rice field here, but you could see construction going up here. We hear the noise as we speak left and right, but he's holding on to his family's rice field and the heritage, even though many people offered to buy his rice field. To him, it's a tradition that's very important and that he wants to maintain. So I think that just says a lot about his spirit and his will, and like the legacy of his family and the value. If there is one life lesson you can share with the world that you've learned in life, what's a key lesson you learned in life that you could share based off your experiences of 71 years?
Kalau bisa ya, kita punya suatu warisan dari leluhur, kalau bisa kita pertahankan, kita kelola dengan baik. Kalau menurut pengalaman dari kecil selaku petani ya, kita kan dapat hasil ya. Dapat hasil kita kumpul-kumpulin. Mungkin kita bisa bangun rumah, ditambah juga penghasilan lain, kan gitu.
Thank you so much for letting me come join you. In the short time I did last in the rice fields, I feel like I learned a lot. Just my experience with working with nature and getting to know your story and seeing your will to stay strong to your heritage has been very inspiring. So thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Every time I engaged Bapa Naga in conversation, seeking his life's wisdom or advice for the world, he always circled back to the profound importance of heritage and the transmission of values across generations. The rice fields, more than just parcels of land, have been his classroom, imparting lessons of resilience, stewardship, and commitment. While he cherishes the hope that his family will carry on the agricultural legacy, it's the deeper, unseen legacy, the values and principles instilled by his father and honed through years of toil, that he most yearns to give them. In these fields, Bapa Naga sees not just crops, but the cultivation of character, hoping the seeds of integrity and diligence he plants will flourish long after he's gone. Bali stands out in my travels for its remarkable cultural resilience amidst tourism's rapid growth. The Balinese commitment to preserving their unique heritage is truly commendable. This brings to mind the broader theme of embracing and continuing our own familial legacies. Just as the Balinese choose to maintain their cultural practices, we too must decide to uphold the values and traditions passed down to us. It's worth pausing to reflect, are we fully appreciating and integrating the legacy bestowed upon us? Until next time, fight on.